So guys, I said I wanted to dye my hair a bit. Let's try and see how far. I hope I get it right though. Using this, by the way, this product here, this is it said white powder bleach. So this is the bleach. I hope you can see this is the bleach. Then this is the cream peroxide. This hydrogen peroxide, 6% volume. Pour it like this. I'm just eyeballing it too. I'm not measuring anything. I cannot go use my hair play. Like this. Mix. I hope I am doing it correctly. I hope, because this was what I was told. Now I went to buy the dye. The guy told me that if I want the hair to come out exactly the way it is on the pack, I should buy this, bleach my hair first, and then dye it. And on the dye, he said I should just mix the dye and the hydrogen it came with, and dye my hair. And guys, I've done it before like twice. It didn't come out well, so I decided to go with this guy. Oh, the smell, it has this pungent smell. Chemistry students. Go to my hair. My hair. The salon close to me, I called them and they said they don't dye hair. It's an African salon. That's why I'm doing it for myself. I'm risking it. I hope it comes out well. I dyed my hair, or I tinted my hair one time in Malaysia, just the tip. So now I want to go in with full blown dye. Let's try. Towel to cover myself with. Please know what I'm doing. I hope this mixture will be enough self. So I'll be carrying rainbow color on my head, all in the name of dyeing. But fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Zoe just said she's watching me. She's like, what's going on? See, the mixture is finished though. My hair is still black. I don't even know how the back is. Where is this? Where is this? This here. Where? Ah, I think it's now, it's dying now. My hair is dying. Zoe can see orange of my hair. I can see it too, I think so. I can see it. I'm using the mirror in front of me too. See. The first time I dyed my hair, I tinted my hair in Malaysia. My hair hot. Like, you should have seen, you know when you put fowl this agric fowl in hot water and you're pulling out the hair. You know how soft it usually is. That was how my hair was. I couldn't even comb it. My husband was so angry. Like he wasn't having it at all, because my husband is not a fan of all these low cuts. He likes his ladies to have hair, you know. So he even pets my hair more than the way I pet it. So he wasn't having it at all. But the hair grew back. In less than 3 months, everything came out again. You guys, see. The color is changing. I think I need to go and put more bleach powder and the hydrogen peroxide, because the back and the tip don't seem to have anything. I just added more bleach, so I think it helps it to go around now. Let's fix it from this. So I've got this plastic bag to cover it, and then I'll put this shower cap on top of it. Yes, I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Ooh. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da-da-da! Wow. Wow. I think I'll just leave it like this and not, hey. Yes, I think I'll just leave it like this.
Is this you?
This is me. I'll just leave it like this. I won't put the dye again. Let me wash it out first and see though.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Mama. I've just washed the hair and this is the outcome of the hair. I think I'll just use the dye. I have this burnt orange color that I want to achieve, but this is not really giving the way I want it to give. So I'll go ahead and dye it. But time has gone now. I want to go somewhere. Maybe I should just sleep on it, because see, the root is really orange, while towards the tip of the hair is deep orange. And this is the color I want. I have 3 shades on my head now. You know, bright orange, like yellow, then orange, then burnt orange, and this is what I want. So I'll just go ahead to dye it. I'm thinking I should sleep on it. Excuse me. I'm thinking I should sleep and wake up and see if I will change it. But I don't think I want to carry 3 shades of orange on my hair. Nah. But time has gone now. I want to go somewhere. So maybe when I'm back or tomorrow morning, I'll just dye it to the color I want. Let the hair breathe small. Let it receive fresh air. But the thing is that I'm tempted to go and style it, you know, put cream, dry it, and but let me just chill. Let me chill till I achieve the final look. I'll show you guys. Let me get again. I'm going to. If I come back and it's still early and I still have time, I'll probably use the dye. But in all, you see the final product. Oh, I don't like this side. I think because I started from the root, I'm supposed to start from the tip. Yeah, I think so. Because I start from the root, I'm supposed to start from the tip. But I finally dyed my hair. So I'm back from where I went to, and I decided I should just quickly do my hair before tomorrow. So this is the dye. This is it. And this is the brand I'm using, this one. I hope one pack will be enough for me. It smells like ammonium.
Mommy, what is the pet food?
I don't know.
What color are you dyeing? Is it just the same color? Eh?
This color.
And the cream is now
Purple.
purple. I want to finish. I put my down on
You dyed what? Orange. Dye it rainbow. We change. You see the roots that was like light yellow or light orange is now giving the color I want. It's giving. I think I did put in this side, but it's okay. At least the most important thing is that it's no more, the roots are no more bright. You know, I didn't like that bright yellow. So I think any color it comes out with now, I'll be fine with it. This is the color I want, this burnt orange thing. So I just want this root to get darker. I don't know if I'll wait for 20 minutes. So. As it is now, I'm good to go. Yeah, see inside. Everywhere now. It's good. My hair is giving. I'm happy with the outcome. I didn't put here. Let's see if I can put here. No, this place. I've covered it again. I'll give it another 15 minutes. I won't stay till 20 minutes. And I'll wash it. To wash. Ooh, yes, exactly how I want it. Time to wash it now.